We're so quick to point a finger, it just seems from my point of view. The things that we say, the trouble it makes, it hurts you, it hurts me too. This is such a fallen world we live in. It's really not the way it's supposed to be. What if we could see each other different? It'd probably change everything. We're all broken people. Don't we all need Jesus? Yeah. Every moment of our lives, 24, 365, all human is equal. Don't we all have a weakness? Everybody makes mistakes. Everybody needs that grace. We all need Jesus. Don't we all need Jesus? We all. Everybody needs a savior. Even the ones who think they don't. We got stuff we hide deep down inside. There's so much that we don't show. Yeah, it's such a wounded world we live in. It's really not the way it's supposed to be. Isn't that the beauty of redemption? It changes everything. We're all broken people. Don't we all need Jesus? Every moment of our lives, 24, 365, all human is equal. Don't we all have our weakness? Everybody makes mistakes. Everybody needs that grace. We all need Jesus. Don't we all need Jesus? From the beggar to the rich man, from the prison to the preacher. Oh, all I know is sweet, only Jesus. All I know is sweet, only Jesus. Every man and every woman, every city, every nation. All I know is sweet, only Jesus. All I know is that we're all broken people. So we all need Jesus. Every moment of our lives, 24, 365, all human is equal. Don't we all have a weakness? Everybody makes mistakes. Everybody needs that grace. We all need Jesus. Oh, don't we all need Jesus? We all need Jesus, need Jesus. Everybody in the world need Jesus.